For my screencast assignment, I'm going to show you all how to make a drop shadow from scratch in Adobe Photoshop. So to start off, you're going to have a 3-layered file. The top layer is going to be your image layer. The second layer, which is blank right now, is going to be your shadow layer. And the bottom layer, which is filled with white, is your background. And this is just going to serve to let you see your shadow once we've actually created it. So now, to make the drop shadow, you're going to start by command clicking in the image area of the layers palette to select the whole image. Then you're going to select the shadow layer below it, and what we're going to do is fill this selected area with black in the shadow layer. I'm going to do the keyboard shortcut for this, which is Shift-Delete. This is going to bring up the fill palette. I'm going to fill it with black, and now if I turn off my image area, my image layer, you can see that the shadow area is filled with black. I'm going to deselect first, so Command D. Then to offset the shadow, I'm going to bump it down with the arrow keys just a little bit. After changing back to my pointer tool with the V key shortcut. Then I'm going to go up to Filter, which you can't see because this is off my screen, but I'm going to bring up the Gaussian Blur palette and set it at about 3 pixels. And hit OK. And there you see it. If I turn it off, you can see the difference. You've made a drop shadow. Now, when it comes to actually using drop shadows, I'm a firm believer less is more. You want to give the illusion of 3-dimensional space, and if you make it look unrealistic, you lose that illusion. I think one way that you can lessen your drop shadow effect is to play with the layer opacity. You can knock this number down. Say if you do it at 75%, your shadow becomes a little bit more subtle. And the closer you have your shadow to your actual object, the less it's going to look like your object is suspended off the ground.